Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your OPPO A72, for the first you have to open the tools folder, and right now just tap on the recorder, read the description and then just tap on the agree, click allow, and right now when you want to start record sounds, just click on this red button, and right now the smartphone is recording the sounds. When you want to finish, you have to click here. Right now we can rename your record, tap on a save, and here it is. So let's check. I think that we have turned on the volume button with the volume button. And right now the smartphone is recording the sounds. When you want to finish, you can... Okay, so there it is. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.